Hi everyone, I'm doing GC Salam.
Alfredo Mawit, Chadwick Paul Ribuyo.
Section is 4G. We're in front of you to discuss
Hydrostatic table for ship. Is hydrostatic table. Hydrostatic table is a ship reference table. It shows ships' values at different draft. It is used for stability and trim calculation, found in ship stability booklet. Ang hydrostatic table is a very important sa barko. Diri nato makita ang displacement, TPC, MTC, LCB ug LCF at different draft. Ginagamit ni siya para makalculate ang trim ug stability sa ship.
Displacement. Total weight of the ship equal to weight of water displaced, measured in tons. Formula. Displacement equals weight of ship plus cargo plus fuel plus water. Displacement means total weight sa barko. Kung mas dagan cargo, mas mulubog ang barko. Equal siya sa tubig nga na-displace based ni sa Archimedes principle. TPC, ton per centimeter. TPC, tons needed to change draft by 1 centimeter. Used when loading cargo. Formula. Change in draft equal weight added TPC. Ang TPC means pila ka tons ang kailangan para mo increase of 1 centimeter ang draft. If TPC is 20 tons, meaning 20 tons cargo equal 1 centimeter cube.
MTC, moment to change stream. MTC, moment required to change stream by 1 centimeter, measured in ton meter. Formula, trim cm equals trimming moment MTC. MTC is ginagamit para mag-compute ang trim. If mag-load ta sa forward or aft, mag-change ang trim. MTC tells og pila ka moment para mo change og 1 cm.
LCB and LCF. LCB, longitudinal center of buoyancy, center of underwater volume. LCF, longitudinal center of flotation, point where ship trims. LCB is center of buoyancy. LCF is pivot point kung asa mag-trim ang barko. Both measured from midship. Simple trim calculation. Displacement equals 8,000 tons. MTC equals 200 TM. Weight added equals 100 tons. Distance from midship equals 20 m forward. Step 1. Compute trimming moment. Trimming moment equals weight times distance equals 100 times 20 equals 2000 TM. Step 2. Compute trim. Trim equals trimming moment divide MTC equals 2000 divide 200 equals 10 cm trim by bow. Mag-add tao o 100 tons 20 meters forward. Moment is 100 times 20 equals 2000. Divide by MTC 200. Answer is 10 cm trim by bow.
Conclusion, hydrostatic table is very important. Used for displacement, trim, and draft. Help ship remains stable and safe. Officer must understand this table. Hydrostatic table is very important sa navigation. Without this, dili ta makabalo sa trim o stability. Every deck officer must understand this. And that's all. Thank you.